Welcome to Midwest Solar and Energy, where your journey to affordable, clean energy begins. Meet Rob Rottman, your trusted solar expert dedicated to helping Midwest families make smart energy choices. With years of experience and a passion for sustainability, Rob guides homeowners through every step of the solar process, making it simple, transparent, and rewarding. As you see Midwest landscapes dotted with vibrant solar panels powering local homes, remember, Rob and his team are just a phone call away. Whether you're just curious or ready to make the switch, reach out to Rob Rottman at 417-593-6708. Together, let's build a brighter, greener future, right here in the heart of America. For years, the federal solar tax credit has made solar energy affordable for millions of Americans. This credit let homeowners deduct 30% of their solar installation costs from their federal taxes, a huge savings. It's been the driving force behind the rapid growth of residential solar, helping families save money and fight climate change. But here's the urgent news. This 30% tax credit ends December 31st, 2025. After that, it's gone. No gradual phase out, just a hard stop. That means if you wait until 2026, you'll pay thousands more for the same solar system. The window to lock in these savings is closing fast. Act now, and you get the full benefit. Wait, and you miss out entirely. This is a pivotal moment for anyone considering solar. The financial landscape is about to change dramatically. Understanding this deadline is the first step to making a smart energy decision for your future. As the tax credit disappears, new tariffs are making solar panels more expensive. The U.S. has imposed tariffs on imported solar equipment, raising costs for installers and ultimately for you. For example, a 25% tariff can add over $1,000 to a typical home solar system. Combined with the loss of the tax credit, this could mean paying $8,000 more for the same system next year. It's a double hit. Incentives are vanishing and prices are rising. Right now, you can still take advantage of both the tax credit and pre-tariff pricing. Wait until 2026, and you'll almost certainly pay much more. The economics of solar are shifting quickly. Acting now could save you thousands. The science of solar is steady, but the financial equation is changing fast. Don't let this rare window of opportunity close. There's still hope. Many states are stepping up with their own solar incentives. State programs can offer extra tax credits, rebates, or payments for the energy you produce. Net metering policies in some states let you sell excess power back to the grid, boosting your savings. Check your state's energy website or talk to local installers to see what's available. These incentives can stack with the federal credit if you act this year. Meanwhile, American solar manufacturing is growing, creating jobs and strengthening our supply chain. More US-made panels mean greater energy independence and economic security. While domestic production may not offset rising costs immediately, it's a positive long-term trend. Choosing American-made panels supports this shift. Even with policy changes, the fundamentals of solar remain strong. The industry is adapting, and so can you. So what should you do? If you've ever thought about going solar, now is the time to act. Start your research today. Don't wait until installers are booked solid. Get quotes from reputable companies and ask about timelines to ensure you meet the tax credit deadline. Consider adding a home battery. Its cost is also eligible for the 30% credit this year. Solar Plus battery systems offer resilience and savings, but only if you act before the deadline. The process takes months, so begin soon to avoid missing out. The end of the tax credit and rising tariffs make this a critical moment. State incentives and American manufacturing keep the future bright, but the best savings are available now. Research your options, explore local programs, and move quickly. Lock in thousands in savings and start your clean energy journey. Seize the moment. This opportunity won't last. Ready to take the next step? Don't navigate the solar switch alone. Call Rob Rottman at Midwest Solar and Energy for your free, no-obligation consultation. With years of experience helping Midwest homeowners, Rob can answer your questions, walk you through your options, and help you secure the best incentives before time runs out. Grab your phone and dial 417-593-6708 now. Imagine your home powered by clean, reliable solar energy. Just like your neighbors. Your savings, your energy independence, your future. Start today with Rob Rottman at Midwest Solar and Energy. Thank you for watching and considering a brighter, cleaner future with Midwest Solar and Energy. If you have any questions or you're ready to get started, remember, Rob Rottman is just a call away at 417-593-6708. We appreciate your time, your trust, and your commitment to energy independence. As the sun sets over your community, imagine your home powered by renewable energy. Today, tomorrow, and for generations to come. Stay connected, stay empowered, choose Midwest Solar and Energy.